Hello, this video is going to show you how to bring in data into R. This could be .csv, .text, or Excel data. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set our home directory, our working directory, I mean. We're going to use the package readr. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pull a CSV file directly from the internet. So this file is not going to be initially saved to your hard drive. Alright, and this is going to be USAID data, which would be from this site right here. So let's go ahead and run it. It's going to take a couple seconds. So you can see here, USA data. This will show you the aid obligation for every country, every foreign country. Now, if you have a text file that's currently stored on your computer, you'd be able to use the same thing, read_CSV, and you just have to put in, if it's currently in your working directory, just have to put in the name of the file. So for example, here's the list of files in that directory. So I have here, I want raptors.txt. So I'm going to go ahead and read it in using read_CSV, and I'm going to assign it the name Raptors for the NBA Toronto Raptors basketball team. So I read it in. See all the statistics for 2008, 2019. Alright, now to read in Excel files, you'd use the read Excel package. So let's go ahead and upload the package. So library, read Excel. Alright, and see the list of files that we have in our directory again. So we have this Warriors file here, warriors.xlsx. So let's go ahead and bring that in. So you would have to use read_Excel, and then you'd have the name of the file, so warriors.xlsx, comma, and then the sheet. So for example, this, we want sheet 1. So if this was on the second tab of the Excel sheet, then we just put in, change this to sheet 2. So let's bring it in. You can see it shows up here in the environment. And we have all the 2018, 2019 regular season statistics. Now, if you want to export out a data into a CSV, you would then use the write_CSV function from the readr package. So you would define the data frame that you would like. So we would like Raptors, the Raptors data, and we're gonna call it Raptors1, and we want it in CSV format. So let's go ahead and click on Run. As you can see here, it's now showing up as a CSV file. And you could open it up in Excel. Thank you for watching.